There's a sausage shortage since everyone started making this recipe. I'll be using sausages here. Let's grab them. Next, we'll move to a board, cut them in half, and make cuts as I'm showing. Then we'll fold them like this. We'll secure with a toothpick and set aside. In a bowl, we'll crack 2 eggs. We'll season with salt and oregano, then beat well. Now I'll add some pre-chopped chicken. Also a bit of mozzarella. Let's mix again. Add some mayonnaise. And we'll add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. This is the right consistency. Now let's add some oil to a pan. Then our sausages. Put our filling in each sausage. Let's brown one side, then flip. And there you have it, folks. Look how amazing it is. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That was another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hug, see you next time, and cheers!